Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable members of ICAP and representative of ICAP, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I am thankful to ICAP for providing this opportunity to the candidates to express themselves in front of the members. It is indeed a great pleasure and a gratifying moment for all of us to be able to contest these elections. So let me briefly introduce myself first. I am a fellow member of ICAP and I qualified in 2011. I completed my articleship from KPMG Tasir Hadi, and after that I joined an insurance company and I worked over there for 2 years. Thereafter I joined Hinopark Motors Limited. I climbed up the ladder from the post of Manager Finance, and currently I am the Assistant General Manager and Company Secretary in Hinopark Motors Limited. As far as my representations are concerned, I have represented my company at various international forums, various conferences, meetings, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Japan. I have represented my company and have performed well by representing my company. I have also the representative of my company at various forums, including FPPCI, OICCI, and Pakistan-Japan Business Forum. Usually I coordinate with top lawyers of the country and leading the automotive sector with regard to various litigation and regulatory matters. I have also worked in KPMG Oman office in 2006. Two other aspects of my profile are that I am a teacher as well. I have been involved in teaching profession from the last 8 to 10 years, and I have taught approximately 1,000 students of CA final and foundation students. So that's the additional profile which I carry with me. And recently I've also started appearing as a guest speaker at various TV channels and speaking usually about the taxation subject. My vision for the ICAP is to make this institute a high quality institute, world leading institute by quality education, governance and global recognition. Of course, it's an evolving process and we have to do a lot of things in terms of global recognition, which is very important as we move ahead in providing the opportunities to our members for job placements. My aspiration to contest the ICAP elections. This institute has done a lot for us. Our trading organizations have done a lot for us, and whatever we are, it's just because of this institute and just because of our trading organizations. The way we have been trained by our trading organizations give us the competitive edge over other professions. So I think it's very high time that we should contribute towards the betterment of the institute and for the betterment of the members as well. So that's my aspiration to compete in the elections of ICAP. And yes, there are a lot of things that needs to be improved, and of course it's very easy to criticize ICAP, I criticize its policy. I've been the member of various social media groups where people usually criticize the policies of the ICAP. So it's very easy to criticize the candidates, to criticize the policies of the ICAP, but it's hard to identify the positivity of the ICAP, what ICAP has given us, what recognition ICAP has given us, what stature ICAP has given us. So it's very important to realize that fact as well. Whatever we are is just because of the ICAP and our training organizations. My aim for the regional committee, first is corporate grooming and leadership. What I believe that our members are technically very sound, which everybody should agree as well. But what they lack is the corporate grooming and the leadership skills. So my idea is to collaborate with leading institutes, Business Institute of Pakistan, and provide the corporate grooming and leadership opportunities training to them. One more thing is that presentation skills that is offered at the foundation level. It's a 100-hour course. It's a 100-hour course which is conducted by the RATES itself. So we can outsource that course to the Business Institute as well. So at the foundation level, our students are well trained enough They should know what the corporate ethics are. So that is very important to revamp this PSTC course. Remember, it's a 100-hour course. It's a very useful course, but it should be properly implemented at the base level. Of course, we have to stay relevant with the technology and the upcoming changes. So my idea is to promote the data science skills and relevant trainings. So to keep the members relevant with the industry and with the other members of other institutes. My next agenda item is to represent the industry. I'm working in the industry since 2011, and I believe there are various issues that industry face, and the industry looks for the platform to present their case in front of the regulatory bodies. So ICAP is a good forum to present the case of the industries, to present the issues of the industries in front of the regulators and come out with some solution. Service to the community. Of course, job placement is one of the important factors that we all should need to consider for our young members. And this pandemic issue, number of students, number of members have approached to get a suitable job. So it's very important that we should activate our placement cell. We should be proactive enough to provide the job opportunities to our members and partly qualified members as well. One more thing that I want to highlight over here is the brand ambassador program. बड़ा important है brand ambassador program CA का. Right now we have brand ambassadors who are recently qualified. Gold medal होगा किसी का, किसी ने कोई और achievement किया होगी. बहुत senior members हैं हमारे जो कि इस वक्त they are अच्छा represent कर रहे हैं और represent कर सकते हैं. I think we should involve them. Senior members को हम अपना brand ambassadors बनाएं. One more thing that it is in my mind that is to have a media cell in ICAP. Whatever economic development is taking place in Pakistan must have ICAP's view. We should have 10, 15 representative spokesperson, media person, relevant industry persons who should be representing the ICAP vision, ICAP version on the development that is being happening in Pakistan. So it's very important that we should do this and promote our brand in this way. लोग जानेंगे हमारी ब्रांड को, ICAP का एक अच्छा व्यू होगा, लोगों का एक अपना टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट होंगे. बहुत सारे एंकर्स टीवी पे हो रहे होते हैं, अपना व्यू दे रहे होते हैं विदाउट हैविंग एनी नॉलेज. वी हैव ऑल द नॉलेज, वी हैव ऑल द स्किल्स, लेकिन रिप्रेजेंटेशन नहीं है. तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम जो है अपना रिप्रेजेंटेशन का मैकेनिज्म जो है वो इंप्रूव करें विद इन पाकिस्तान. ग्लोबली तो सेकंड स्टेज है. विद इन पाकिस्तान वी हैव टू इंप्रूव आवर रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन मीडिया. कुछ लोग हैं जो पर्सनल कैपेसिटी पे तो बहुत मीडिया पे नजर आते हैं, काफी सीनियर मेंबर्स हैं कुछ, वो पर्सनल कैपेसिटी में नजर आते हैं. ICAP के फोरम से कुछ लोग नॉमिनेट होने चाहिए, सीनियर मेंबर्स नॉमिनेट होने चाहिए, कुछ यंग मेंबर्स नॉमिनेट होने चाहिए, who should be the brand ambassadors for ICAP and to represent ICAP in media as well. One more thing is the training organization outside practice. Currently we have 25 training organizations. 25 training organizations which are hiring the CA students other than the audit firms. Audit firms का अपना issues हैं, business के issues हैं, capacity का issue है. Of course that's why the concept of training organization outside Pakistan has been introduced. So we need to engage much more organizations in this area as well. अच्छी बड़ी multinational companies लेके आएं ताकि लोग भी encourage हों उसमें जाने के लिए. Just having a company doesn't make sense. Engage multinational companies, big companies who are operating in Pakistan. तो लोग एक CA का स्टूडेंट जाए, उसका एक अपना अच्छा टैग लाइन भी इंप्रूव होगा, उसके पास इंटरनेशनल अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी अवेलेबल होंगी. लोग जाएं, नेटवर्किंग करें. सीनियर मेंबर्स जो लोग हैं वो नेटवर्किंग करें, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज में जाएं. अभी क्या होता है, एक ईमेल जाती है, दैट्स इट. वी हैव टू बी मोर प्रोएक्टिव फ्रॉम द ICAP पर्सपेक्टिव एज वेल. ऑफ कोर्स जो मैं सारे एजेंडा की बात करूं, दैट्स माय ओन एजेंडा. व्हेन द SRC विल बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड और एस्टैब्लिश्ड, सबका एक कॉमन एजेंडा होना चाहिए दैट हम उस कॉमन एजेंडे के ऊपर मूव ऑन करें आगे। एक और बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट, सपोर्ट टू द रैट्स। इस वक्त जो रैट्स हैं इंडिविजुअल्स ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, एंड दे आर डूइंग ए वेरी गुड जॉब। दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग education opportunity, learning opportunity to the upcoming members of the ICAP, upcoming students of the ICAP. ICAP की साइड से क्या होता है? We can enhance their capacity, we can enhance their libraries. ये बड़ा जरूरी है कि हम रैट्स को encourage करें. And the last point is that ethical values भी हम रैट्स में introduce करें. So I would request all of you that to whoever you vote, elect the best. Thank you so much.